Hey folks, Adam here. And if you love your pets as much as I love my pets, then you're going to want the best for their health. In fact, you're going to want to pay attention to every little thing you can to make sure they live a long and happy pet-loving life. Well, that's why I picked up LitterLens. This is a litter box camera for health monitoring that I love, and I know you're going to love as well. Now, this is Honeycat. We also have Sabbath and our dog Biscuit, and we want to track their movements, their bowel movements, and things of the sort. We've tried every type of automated system on the planet, robot pet litter boxes, everything in between. But you know what? When it comes to health monitoring, this has been a big one for us because we want Honey to live to be 20, and that's why we pay attention to everything health associated that we can. Now, some of the things I like about this is you will get instant alerts of abnormal toileting. That means if they're going too frequent, not enough, whatever it may be, this will notify you immediately. It has AI analysis for stool quality as well. That means that your pet's quality of stool is important to you, and it's going to let you know if there's any issues. Maybe you've changed the diet, maybe they got into something they don't need to be in. Whatever it is, this will let you know, and it will give you information about the duration and the frequency, as well as all of the health warnings that you need. It has precise AI recognition in multi-cat homes, so we can notice the difference between Honeycat here and our good friend Black Sabbath, of course. And this fits most automatic and self-cleaning robots as well, so you don't have to worry about it, and standard litter boxes. That's what we're testing it on, and I've been very happy that we can kind of get some information about our cats. Honeycat, you busy? Oh, yeah, we want you in the video, buddy. So, one of the things that I like about this is we were able to identify which cat has been kicking up the litter and missing the litter box. Turns out it was Sabbath, the black one. So that has been very helpful. This will track a 12-month health timeline, which is important for me, that I know exactly what's going on with my cats. And yeah, this has been very easy and convenient. And you can see we love our cats. We love the fact that they can keep an eye on the outside and we can keep an eye on them. Now, this is 100% wireless, has a built-in month-long rechargeable battery. And yeah, I do like that the cats don't even notice that it's there, because if you were to try to watch them in the act, they would act differently. So you get to see what happens when nobody's around. It does ensure privacy. It only records the litter box activity, so you're not recording the rest of the house, whatever's going on. Say if you got the litter box in the bathroom, maybe you don't want the entire room recorded, just the litter box. That's important. So that's nice, and it's durable, scratch-resistant, IP65 waterproof surface. That means a lot to me, that I know that it's going to last. It even has a little adhesive, just sticks right to the wall of the litter box, the wall, whatever it may be. You're going to be covered. So folks, if you're looking at being smarter about your pet, you're going to want a device that's constantly getting smarter, and this always has OTA updates, always updating and getting the latest AI information. It's the world's first cat camera which flags stool abnormalities, urinary tract distress, and behaviors using AI modules. So folks, if you're looking for something that's going to keep your cats happy, healthy, and enjoying their life, you're going to be able to know whether or not that new food is working with them, whether or not they've gotten to the plants or haven't had enough water. This is a great device for you, and it's a great device for me. I like it because I can monitor it remotely from practically anywhere on the planet, which means that I can know that my cats are using the restroom when they're supposed to. I can know that they haven't got out through one of the screens breaking open, and that they are safe. So this has a lot of benefits. And of course, folks, this isn't a tutorial on how to use the app, but I will show you, you can pick any given day on the app, and then you can see who used the box. We can look through here and see that Honeycat was spotted on camera. We can see what he's up to, and that is important for us. That was when he was just getting used to it, And then you can see who's visiting, who's lingering, abnormalities, or all interactions. And you can look at that by day, or you can look at that throughout history. And we can find out who's been in the bathroom and what they're up to. And yeah, in this case, looks like Honeycat is digging himself a hole, doing his business. Very important. What a good boy. Of course, folks, one of the things I like very much about this device is it gives you some real practical knowledge that you can take with you when you have a vet visit. So let's imagine that you have to go to the vet and you have to explain what's going on with your cat. Wouldn't it make more sense to actually have a video you can show your vet instead of you trying to describe what happened? And that's what makes this very convenient, and it will help with health assessments with your primary provider for your animal. So again, folks, that means real-time detection of abnormal behavior, thanks to the app. Early warning if there's UTI or obstruction issues. Think about that. If your cat's going to the bathroom 6-7 times a day, you might not realize it, but as it turns out, they have a UTI. And you can kind of get right in that treatment window, seizing the best opportunity to take care of your pets. Again, the smart stool detection, recording alerts, the high-def AI imaging, fecal analysis, flag soft stools, diarrhea, or blood, and this really allows you to provide a clear medical record without trying to describe it to your vet, sending timely notifications, and it's definitely going to help avoid misdiagnosis as well. All right, folks, in terms of setup, you can see we just use the adhesive that comes with it to put it right on the wall. Then we can adjust the position easily and efficiently. And of course, folks, remember how important it is to take care of your pets in a timely manner. Getting them to the doctor when they need it and when it's not too late is super important. So we highly recommend you go pick this up. It's from a great company that we love and we know you're going to love as well. Isn't that right, Honeycat? All right, folks, thanks for watching. You know we love and appreciate you as much as we appreciate our pets. It's time to get to shopping. Adios, amigos.